Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, fog lamps, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.